Imagine cutting your travel time between Germany and Denmark in half, bypassing the unpredictable seas and cruising seamlessly between the two countries in just minutes. A project so massive it's rewriting Europe's infrastructure map is underway right now, one that will link Scandinavia to Central Europe like never before. Welcome to the Fehmarn Belt Tunnel, Europe's largest construction site, and soon to be the world's longest prefabricated road and rail tunnel. It's a staggering feat of engineering that's been decades in the making, and today we're taking you inside the project that's set to change travel across the continent forever. Beneath the waves of the Baltic Sea, a colossal tunnel is taking shape. Spanning 18 kilometers, this underground passage will link Denmark and Germany, making travel faster, smoother, and far more efficient. The scale of this project is almost beyond comprehension. Its construction site covers an area equivalent to 600 football fields, and it requires more steel than 50 Eiffel Towers combined. The cost? A jaw-dropping 7.5 billion euros, mostly financed by Denmark. But this isn't just about these two countries. This is part of a much larger European Union plan to enhance connectivity across the continent, boosting trade, tourism, and economic ties between the North and South. Right now, workers are deep in the construction process inside three enormous production halls, where giant tunnel segments, each more than 200 meters long, are being meticulously crafted from steel and concrete. These segments will be floated out into the sea and carefully lowered into place with an almost unfathomable level of precision. Just 15 millimeters of tolerance allowed for placement. Piece by piece, like an enormous underwater jigsaw puzzle, 90 of these segments will be joined together, forming a direct link between Scandinavia and Central Europe. For travelers, the benefits will be game-changing. The current rail journey from Copenhagen to Hamburg takes around 4.5 hours, involving a ferry crossing that alone lasts 45 minutes. But with this tunnel in place, that travel time will be slashed to just 2.5 hours, with the ferry replaced by a drive of less than 10 minutes. The convenience is undeniable, but the environmental impact is just as significant. By cutting out the need for ferries and reducing the distance trucks and cars must travel, the tunnel will also help lower carbon emissions, making it a win for businesses, commuters, and the planet alike. But getting to this stage hasn't been easy. This project has been on the drawing board for nearly 2 decades, repeatedly delayed by lawsuits and environmental concerns. The Baltic Sea is home to diverse marine life, and conservationists have fought hard to ensure that the construction doesn't cause irreversible damage. After years of debate, the green light was finally given, and now the work is progressing rapidly. Stringent environmental protections have been put in place to safeguard marine ecosystems, and engineers have designed innovative techniques to minimize disruption to wildlife. One of the biggest engineering challenges? The seabed itself. Unlike other underwater tunnels that are drilled through solid rock, the seabed here is too soft for such a method. Instead, an immense trench had to be dug into the ocean floor. Each tunnel segment, an astonishing 73,000 tons in weight, must be precisely positioned within this trench. To achieve this, engineers have developed a system called pin and catch, robotic arms that carefully grab onto each segment and slowly drag it into position. One by one, these sections will be linked, creating a seamless underwater corridor for road and rail traffic. The precision required is mind-boggling. Any misalignment could lead to structural weaknesses, requiring each piece to be perfectly aligned before being sealed together. A bridge was considered early in the planning process, but it was quickly ruled out due to the region's extreme weather conditions. With fierce winds and deep waters reaching 30 meters, the risk of ships colliding with bridge supports was too high. The tunnel, buried safely beneath the seabed, provides a far more secure alternative, ensuring uninterrupted travel regardless of storms or maritime traffic. Additionally, the tunnel eliminates the visual and environmental footprint a bridge would have created, preserving the natural beauty of the Baltic coastline. Now, with construction well underway, all eyes are on the next critical phase, placing the next tunnel segment into position. Engineers, divers, and precision machinery are working in unison to ensure the segments fit seamlessly together, with constant monitoring and adjustments to counteract ocean currents and shifting seabed conditions. If all goes according to plan, by 2029, the Fehmarn Belt Tunnel will open its doors to traffic, bringing Scandinavia and mainland Europe closer than ever before. This is more than just a tunnel. It's a vision for the future of European travel, a testament to human ingenuity, and a glimpse into what's possible when nations come together to build something truly extraordinary. The impact of this tunnel will be felt far beyond the borders of Denmark and Germany. Businesses will see faster shipping times, tourists will experience hassle-free travel, and economies will flourish with increased accessibility. The Fehmarn Belt Tunnel will play a crucial role in strengthening supply chains across Europe, allowing goods to be transported more efficiently between the continent's northern and southern regions. This new infrastructure will also create thousands of jobs, both during construction and after its completion. From engineers and construction workers to local businesses that will thrive due to increased tourism and trade, the economic ripple effects will be enormous. Once completed, it's expected that up to 40,000 vehicles and countless freight trains will pass through the tunnel each day, reducing congestion on roads and minimizing traffic bottlenecks. Moreover, the tunnel has become a technological showcase for sustainable and innovative construction methods. Advanced underwater construction techniques, eco-friendly materials, and cutting-edge safety measures are being employed to ensure the tunnel's durability and resilience for generations to come. The project has also introduced new standards in underwater tunnel construction that could be used in future projects around the world. As we approach the final stages of this historic endeavor, the excitement continues to grow. Soon, what once seemed like an impossible dream, linking Denmark and Germany with a direct undersea corridor, will become a reality. What are your thoughts on this revolutionary project? Will the Fehmarn Belt Tunnel set the stage for even more ambitious infrastructure projects across Europe and beyond? Let us know in the comments and be sure to subscribe for more updates on groundbreaking developments shaping our world.